www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2007 GMC 2500 SLT Crew Cab New Body Duramax Diesel Monster 4-wheel drive riding on a 6-inch Fabtech lift kit with 4 brand new 325 Newtons and 20-inch Verti wheels, only 61k miles, factory warranty through 7/2/12, dual power, leather, heated seating, CD player, OnStar, keyless entry, alarm, wood grain trim, sliding rear window, bed liner, towing package. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. Gibson Truck World, not your average pickup line, we are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition.